If you've ever shopped for an outdoor camera system, you've probably noticed there's a lot to choose from. So in this video, I'll review 3 surveillance camera system categories: wireless solar, wireless plug-in, and wired power over Ethernet. I'll summarize the strengths and weaknesses of each category to help you decide which system is best for your home. I'll also offer my picks for what I consider Reolink's best camera system in each category and provide current pricing. Each system discussed here checks the same boxes: 4K or better resolution, AI smart detection, color night vision, two-way audio, local storage, and no subscription fees. Let's begin with an overview of the strengths and weaknesses of each system category. First up, the wireless solar category. As the name suggests, cameras in this category are totally wire-free and are ideal for off-grid setups or hard-to-reach locations. They receive power through a solar panel that keeps the camera charged year-round. Setup is quick, no wiring or no drilling. This is an easy system to install and works best at driveway gates, barns, and detached buildings. The system delivers maintenance-free power through its integrated solar charging. The disadvantage is that each unit needs consistent sunlight to stay charged. Additionally, camera feeds can be limited by Wi-Fi range and may show a slight delay in motion activation compared to wired models. Next, let's review the plug-in Wi-Fi category. Cameras in this category can be fixed lens or pan-tilt zoom models. You have flexibility in placement since they connect over Wi-Fi 6 and do not require Ethernet cabling, though each camera still needs access to a power outlet. Video streams are faster and cleaner. A benefit of plug-in cameras is that they are always powered on. There are no battery and no solar concerns. The PTZ camera option offers smart auto tracking and 10x zoom. Cameras are easy to set up with the included wireless NVR and Reolink app. Their weakness is that they still rely on Wi-Fi range and signal strength, and they may lag slightly on weak networks. This brings us to the wired PoE category. This is where reliability and image quality are at their highest. PoE, or powered over Ethernet cameras, receive both power and data through a single Ethernet cable. This provides a stable connection with no lag, no dropouts, and true 24/7 recording. These systems support full 4K or 12 megapixel clarity and are well suited for larger homes and businesses. A consideration is that installation requires running Ethernet cable from the NVR to each camera, which may not be practical for renters or temporary setups. Also, the cost is higher, especially for the 12 megapixel systems. Now let's review the components and pricing for my recommended Reolink surveillance bundles in each category. Pricing is current as of November 2025. Reolink frequently runs flash sales and weekend deals, especially leading up to Black Friday, so you may be able to find these systems at a discount. Starting with the wireless solar category, the system I recommend here is Reolink's Home Hub with Argus Echo Ultra. This system includes the Home Hub, 2 8-megapixel cameras, and 2 solar panels. It's available as a 2 or 4 camera system and is expandable up to 8 cameras. The hub includes a 64 gigabyte micro SD card that provides 1 year of local storage. You can expand up to 2 512 gigabyte cards for up to 5 years of local storage. With the Argus Echo Ultra 2 camera system, you're getting easy installation, a 4K stream, and 1 year of local storage with no subscription fees. The list price is $519.99. Affiliate link is provided below. Next is the wireless plug-in category. Plug-in camera systems provide Wi-Fi placement flexibility without running Ethernet cables. The cameras remain powered continuously as long as they are connected to a powered outlet. For the fixed camera system, I recommend the Reolink RLK12-800WB4. This system includes a 16-channel Wi-Fi NVR with a 2 terabyte hard drive, expandable up to 16 terabytes. It can store approximately 10 days of continuous recording from 4 cameras. You get real-time alerts, easy live view and playback, flexible recording options, customizable detection zones, a 4K stream, and local storage with no subscription fees. The list price is $559.99. For the PTZ version, I recommend Reolink's RLK12-800 WPT4. This system also includes a 16-channel Wi-Fi NVR with a 2 terabyte hard drive, expandable up to 16 terabytes. It can store about 14 days of continuous recording from 4 8-megapixel PTZ cameras. You get real-time alerts, easier live view and playback, flexible recording options, customizable detection zones, a 4K stream, and local storage with no subscription fees. The list price is $599.99. Now for the wired PoE category. These systems connect directly to the NVR using Ethernet cables, providing the most stable footage and reliable 24/7 recording. There's no need for power outlets at camera locations since power and data are supplied over Ethernet. The wired 4K PoE system I recommend is Reolink's RLK8-800 PT4. This system includes an 8-channel NVR with a 2 terabyte hard drive expandable to 12 terabytes. It supports full-time recording for 4 cameras. You get 360-degree coverage with auto tracking, 4K color night vision, human, vehicle, and animal detection, real-time alerts, live view and playback, flexible recording options, detection zones, a 4K stream, and local storage with no subscription fees. The list price is $699.99. The recommended 12-megapixel PoE system is the Reolink RLK8-12000D4. This system includes an 8-channel NVR with a 2 terabyte hard drive expandable to 12 terabytes. It provides 12-megapixel ultra-high-definition recording with AI video search, smart detection, perimeter monitoring, real-time alerts, live view and playback, flexible recording options, detection zones, a 4K stream, and local storage with no subscription fees. The list price is $819.99. My final thoughts? If you want simple setup and Wi-Fi flexibility, choose a wireless system. If you want the most reliable, highest quality video feed, go with a wired PoE system. And if you want the greatest clarity available, the wired 12-megapixel system is the best choice. Links to each model are provided below. Thank you in advance for supporting the channel. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart home reviews and tutorials. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.